Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download free wallpapers on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do is press and hold our finger on an empty space in the home screen in order to open this menu. Now in the bottom left corner, let's go to wallpaper and style, and then let's go to change wallpapers. Now let's scroll all the way down and then let's go for get more wallpapers. Now here let's switch to tab. And now here, where we have all, we can press on this option and switch to free so that we can see only free themes or wallpapers. We can also press on this icon over here on the right side in order to switch the view of the list. And now what we need to do is simply find the wallpaper that we want to use. So let's say I want to use this one, and then we need to press download. Now over here, of course, we need to use the Samsung account, so we can either enter our email or phone, or we need to sign in with the Google. So let me quickly do that. Oh, and of course, if you just want to create a new account because you don't have one, then at the bottom you have the option forgot password or don't have an account. So if you press over here, then you can create an account. So let's go back and let me use my Google account. And after that, we need to go through these options. And let's see if anything is... Okay, everything else is optional, so let's agree. And then we need to register our phone number, so let's do that. Let's press OK. And then we can just press OK when we have created our account. So now we can actually download. Now this process is of course just for the first time if you didn't have your own account, and once you set up your account, then you can simply just press download, and then we can press apply in order to use the wallpaper. And once again, just like in other cases, we can just select if you want to set it for the lock screen, home screen, or both. I'm gonna choose for both, so let's go next. Then let's press done in the top right corner, and it should be good to go. There we go. So now we can just go back, and as you can see, we have a new wallpaper. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.